Let us study the topic negative vector. A vector is said to be negative if the magnitudes are equal and the direction is opposite to another vector. Okay. Let there is a vector A will have what? Vector A will have and vector A will have what? Direction. Now the concept negative vector means minus vector A. Okay. Minus a vector A will have what? This is also a vector, so it will also have magnitude and it will also have direction also, because this is a vector, it will have magnitude and direction. And this is negative vector. Negative means not minus magnitude but minus direction. This negative sign will go with the direction. Okay, it means the negative sign will attack the direction. It means the direction will be reversed. It means two vectors are negative. Two vectors are said to be negative of each other if their magnitudes are same but they have opposite directions. Okay, this is the main point. Opposite directions. Positive. This is plus vector A, this is minus vector A. Both will have the magnitude same, the same numerical value, but their directions will be different. Okay, it will have direction reversed. Okay, if one is going towards east, another will be towards west. If one is going towards north, another will be towards south. Its direction is just opposite to each other. Okay, let it be vector A. Then what will be minus vector B? Minus vector A, it has this magnitude. Then minus vector A will be somewhat like this. This is minus vector A. Okay, same magnitude, same length. Okay, and the direction will be opposite. If this is going towards east, this will go towards west. Okay, if it is going towards north, then minus vector A will go towards the same length but opposite direction. Simple. Okay.